Good afternoon, folks. This is Fred Campos, owner of DFW Website Designers. This is episode number 365 on this April the 10th, 2022 of your 3 business tips at 3 o'clock in and around 3 minutes. First and foremost, solopreneurs, small business owners, thank you. It has been 1 year, 365 episodes that we kicked this off, and I had no idea of the popularity that this little 3-minute commercials would bring, and that I get to interact with so many different people from TikTok to LinkedIn. Thank you. Today, we're continuing our series. We're talking today about business tips. We're going to talk about office expenses and supplies, postage and marketing, and deducting your software. It's tax season time, folks. You should be gathering, and hopefully you're ahead of me and you've already turned this into your accountant. Maybe you've already filed your taxes. I'm wrapping it up this week as well. But we need to remember everything to present to our accountant that could be deductible. Running a small business takes a lot of effort, a lot of moving parts, and almost all of them are tax deductible in the first couple of years that you start out. And I think solopreneurs don't always realize that all of the little pieces can come into play. So let's talk about some more to be added to your list. Business tip number 1, all of your office expenses, all of your office supplies, your laptop, the lights, everything you buy, right down to the paper clips, right down to the copy machine or the copy paper. All of that is good for your small business. Keep receipts on everything. Give that to your accountant. They can figure out what could be itemized or what could be depreciated, but don't forget any and all office expenses. And speaking of office expenses, business tip number 2, all of the postage, all of the shipping, all of the FedEx packages you put together, all the marketing material you put together, your business cards, your website, everything you use that is paper or physical or even digital that you use to market your business is deductible. Keep the receipts, write it down, give it to your accountant. This should also encourage you, while it is expensive to mail things out or send things for your marketing, it is tax deductible and something you definitely want to take into consideration. Business tip number 3, nowadays is software. Software is used for everything, whether you're using MailChimp to send out email newsletters, you're using QuickBooks Pro to keep track of your accounting, whether you're using different things like Hootsuite to do your online social media marketing. All of the software you could possibly think of, and there are probably some unique ones specific to your particular industry, is tax deductible as well. What does it take? Be asking yourself a question. What does it take to run your small business? And what have I bought or acquired that is needed for your small business? Again, in review, office expenses, postage, and software. That's what I'm talking about today. Anything I learn, I throw over the fence to you because I want you guys to be awesome. Now go back to sleep.